Welcome to Chemistry Academy, Fajandar High School and Junior College, Wahur. Now, student, in my previous video, half part of the preparation method of alkyl halide we have covered from halogen exchange method, and second one from hydrocarbon, that is hydrohalogenation, addition of halogen acid across carbon-carbon double bond according to Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule and Kharash effect. Now the last preparation method of alkyl halide, that is from alcohol. Now from alcohol, two different methods are given: alcohol and halogen acid, alcohol and phosphorus halides. Now here first we are going to start from alcohol and halogen acid. Now halogen acid, it is HX, and that HX may be HCl, HBr or HI, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen chloride, hydrobromic acid, hydrogen bromide, hydroiodic acid, that is your hydrogen iodide. Now what is alcohol? What is alcohol? Hydroxyl containing compounds. Hydroxyl containing compound. Hydroxyl group means OH. Now all are the examples of hydroxyl containing compound. OH, OH, OH means all are the examples of alcohol. But what is the basic difference between these three alcohols? Now here OH attached to carbon, which is attached to another one carbon, means this carbon is primary carbon. Here OH attached to this carbon, which is attached to another two carbon, so this carbon is your secondary carbon. Here OH attached to primary carbon, here OH attached to secondary carbon. Likewise this carbon attached to another three carbon, OH attached to tertiary carbon. So depending upon the nature of carbon to which OH hydroxyl group is attached, there are three types of alcohol: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So this is an example of primary alcohol, this one is your secondary alcohol and this one is your tertiary alcohol. Now first we will take the reaction of alcohol with HCl. Reaction of alcohol with HCl, hydrochloric acid. Actually the condition depends upon the nature of carbon. Condition depends upon the nature of alcohol. Which alcohol is given? Based on that the condition is depend. When primary and secondary alcohols are there and it react with hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid, it react with concentrated hydrochloric acid. Now here CONC means concentrated. The arrow condition used is anhydrous zinc chloride. Arrow condition used is anhydrous zinc chloride. Okay, so for alcohol react with HCl, for primary and secondary alcohol what is arrow condition? Concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous. Anhydrous का meaning रहता है dry, without water, dry or without water. Now this reagent, concentrated HCl and zinc chloride, this reagent is called as Leucas reagent. LUCAS, Leucas reagent. What is the name of this reagent? It is called as Leucas reagent, and this process is known as Groves process. GROOVES. Reaction of alcohol with concentrated HCl in anhydrous zinc chloride. This process is known as Groves process, and this reagent is known as Leucas reagent. LUCAS, Leucas reagent. Now in this case, as usual, OH it is replaced by Cl, or we can say there is a removal of H2O. Yes, there is a removal of, क्या रिमूव हो जाएगा? H2O. OH is replaced by Cl, and my product is ethyl alcohol convert into ethyl chloride. ethyl alcohol convert into ethyl chloride. OH is replaced by Cl. Here OH is replaced by Cl. My product is CH3CHCl single bond CH3 plus H2O. Now okay, so from alcohol and halogen acid. So here primary alcohol, secondary alcohol react with HCl in anhydrous zinc chloride, and this mixture is known as Lucas reagent. Now tertiary alcohol react with HCl without any condition, or we can say at room temperature. In this case OH is replaced by Cl, or we can say removal of H2O, and we will get here a tertiary alkyl halides. What product we will get here? A tertiary alkyl halides. Now the question arises, why tertiary alcohol do not require a reagent? Because the reactivity order of alkyl halides, reactivity order means which will react more easily, conveniently, and reactivity order of alcohol towards hydrogen halides in formation of alkyl halide is tertiary alcohol. It is more reactive than secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol it is more reactive than primary alcohol. Try to remember for your entrance examination. What is the reactivity order of alcohol towards the towards reaction with halogen acid? Tertiary alcohol more reactive than secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol more reactive than primary alcohol. So this is the first reaction, preparation of alkyl chloride, that is primary alkyl chloride, secondary alkyl chloride, tertiary alkyl chloride by using hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. This process is Gross process. This reagent is known as a Lucas reagent. Now instead of HCl you can use here HBr. Instead of HCl you can use here HBr. So instead of HCl we will get here the product of Br. Instead of HCl, suppose I am using here HBr, so my product is, what is my product? Now here the OH is replaced by Br. OH is replaced by Br, but when HBr is used, the arrow condition is 48% concentrated hydrobromic acid. 48% concentrated hydrobromic acid, or in presence of sodium bromide in sulfuric acid. In presence of sodium bromide in sulfuric acid. Now complete your product. What is the expected product here? So we can write here OH and H, a removal of H2O, and alcohol convert into CH3 CH2 Br, that is your alkyl bromide. So try to remember, condition depends upon the nature of alcohol. When HBr is used, my arrow condition is either 48% concentrated hydrobromic acid or NaBr in sulfuric acid. Now instead of HBr, suppose the reaction take place with HI, hydroiodic acid. Now alcohol is given to you, CH3 CH2 OH plus HI. What is my arrow condition? My arrow condition is sodium or potassium iodide. Now sodium iodide is NaI, potassium iodide is K, in 90% phosphoric acid H3PO4. Here sodium or potassium iodide in 95% phosphoric acid. When alcohol react with HI, OH, it is replaced by I, and my product is alcohol convert into I plus H2. Okay, so when concentrated HCl, hydrochloric acid is used, arrow condition ZnCl2 anhydrous. When HBr is used, arrow condition NaBr plus H2SO4. When HI is used, aero condition sodium or potassium iodide in phosphoric acid. What is phosphoric acid? H3PO4. Now what is Leucos reagent? Mixture of HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride. Now student, the question may arise, what is the role of anhydrous zinc chloride? What is the role of anhydrous zinc chloride in HCl? Now actually anhydrous zinc chloride, in HCl it acts as a Lewis acid. First role is it Lewis acid. Now second role of your anhydrous zinc chloride is it coordinate with OH. It coordinate with OH and weaken the bond between R and O. वो क्या करता? OH के साथ coordinate बनाता, okay? और ये bond को weak कर देता. Means this bond will easily break. So what is the role of anhydrous zinc chloride in HCl when it react with alcohol? First one, it is a Lewis acid, and second point, it coordinate with OH, alcohol, and weaken the RO bond. Weaken the RO bond. So in case of preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol, our first method was by using halogen acid, either HCl, HBr, HI or HCl. Okay. Now second, from alcohol and phosphorus halide. From alcohol and phosphorus halide. Now here the phosphorus halide we are using are PX3 and PX5. Phosphorus halides we are using here are PX3, PCl3, PBr3, PI3, and second one is your PX5, PCl5. Okay, PBr5, PI5. These are the phosphorus halides. Okay, and what is the role of phosphorus halides? Here I am going to explain. Now first example, take any one alcohol. Okay, suppose this alcohol is given to you and the phosphorus halide I am using is PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Okay, now the role of PCl3 is chlorinating reagent. What is the role of PCl3? It is a chlorinating reagent. Now chlorinating reagent, being a chlorinating reagent, here PCl3 replaced OH by Cl. PCl3 का रोल क्या है? क्लोरीनेटिंग रिएजेंट. ये क्या करेगा? OH को रिप्लेस करेगा Cl से. Miss my product here is CH3, okay, CH2, and OH is replaced by CH3, CH2, and OH is replaced by Cl. Okay, so PCl3 is chlorinating reagent. It replaced OH by Cl. Okay, this is a reaction of alcohol with phosphorus trichloride. Okay, now here how many Cl atoms are there? 3. Okay, now here one OH replaced by one Cl. For balancing purpose, we will take here how many alcohol molecules? 3. Now my react product will be 3. Okay, now from here 3 OH are eliminates. One OH from one alcohol, second OH from second alcohol, third OH from third alcohol, and from PCl3 only phosphorus, because this Cl3 attached to 3 alkyl groups. Okay, so my side product is H3PO3. What is my side product? H3PO3. Now this is a chlorinating reagent, that is your PCl3. Now suppose I have to use here PBr3. So directly we cannot use PBr3. Now that PBr3, it is prepared in reaction process, and such reactions are called as C2 reaction. Such reactions are called as C2 reaction, a reaction in which freshly prepared reagents are required. What is C2 reaction? The reaction in which freshly prepared reagents are required. For PBr3, we will write here CH3, CH2, OH, and on the arrow use red phosphorus in bromine. Now, red phosphorus in bromine, it is a brominating reagent. It replaced OH by Br. Means when these two will react, it will convert into PbR3. It will balance the reaction. It will convert into PbR3. And my product CH3, CH2Br. Okay. So this is called as the C2 reaction, in which a freshly prepared reagents are required, or we can say which are prepared in reaction procedure. Okay, and such reactions are called as C2 reactions. So this is a reaction of alcohol with PCl3 or alcohol with phosphorus in red bromide, red phosphorus in bromine. Use red phosphorus in iodine. You will get here alkyl iodide. Okay. Now, second part, by using alcohol, an important reaction is given from alcohol and thionyl chloride. From alcohol and thionyl chloride. Now, what is thionyl chloride? Thionyl chloride, it is written as SOCl2. Thionyl chloride, it is written as SOCl2. It is also a chlorinating reagent. SOCl2, it is also a chlorinating reagent. Now, it is also chlorinating reagent, means it also replaces OH by Cl. It also replaced OH by Cl. Now, take any one example. Suppose CH3, CH2, CH2OH plus SOCl2. Generally, this thionyl chloride convert straight chain primary alcohol to alkyl halide. Try to remember, SOCl2, thionyl chloride, convert straight chain primary alcohol into alkyl halides. Now, in this case, OH, it is replaced by Cl. My product is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Okay. Now, here OH, and from here remaining part is SOCl, because one Cl attached to instead of OH. My side products are H and Cl, evolution of gas, and which gas is evolved? HCl. Remaining part is SO2, sulfur dioxide. Students, now HCl and sulfur dioxide both are gases. Now, this SOCl2, it is a best chlorinating reagent. SOCl2, it is the best chlorinating reagent. And why it is the best chlorinating reagent? Because in this case, byproduct, side product form are gases. It does not require extra effort to separate. These gases can be evolved, and we will get our original product, that is your alcohol convert into alkyl halide. So which one is the best chlorinating reagent? SOCl2, because both